Hi! Welcome back to Creative Akshara. Happy New Year! Why shouldn't we learn how to make a beautiful heart lock card for this new year? Before we start, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, it's time now. And don't forget to press that bell icon. So, let's start to learn this new heart lock card. Take any color paper of size 21 by 7. Make 3 parts of 7 cm each. Let's fold it like this. I'm using an already cut heart as a stencil. You can draw directly here as well. To cut the stencil, you have to take 7 by 7 cm paper so that it will be of the same size. Draw hearts on both sides in opposite directions. Now let's cut it. Fold both the hearts and mark the extra paper to be cut. Use color papers to stick in the center and one side of the heart. I am using yellow and white. The color choice is yours. Now, let's mark 1 cm on both the hearts in the center and cut it like this. With this, we can lock both the hearts. Our New Year card is almost ready. It's time to decorate. I'm using stars and pearls. You can even use any color papers, stickers or kundans. You can write your message here. Our beautiful heart lock card is ready. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another loving video. Till then, take care and be creative.